Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a few things that I had got from Pinchme, and it's just one sample, and then the rest were magazines. So yeah, this is what it looked like, and the packaging, and these are all for free. I got them for free, and hopefully I'm not saying the name wrong. It says Michel. Augustin, and it says two cookies, and they're cooked square baked in France. I had received four of them. I ate one of them and it was really good. So yeah, this is what it's made of. It's made of dark chocolate with a pinch of sea salt. It was really good. So this is what I received. And then they had a card that come in here and it says, your exclusive product trial starts now. Please keep your eye out for the following email. And it tells you where to follow them. Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and YouTube. Yeah. So that's for that. And I also got this other thing here, and it says the same thing. And it also says to follow. And now I'm just going to show you the magazines that I got. Usually I get them if I don't get the free samples for that month. So I just wanted to show you the magazines that I received, and the first one is Instyle, and this is for July 2019. The next one is Vogue. And this is also for July 2019. Then the next item is Women's Day. And this is for July and August 2019. Women's Day. And the next one that I received is Veranda, and it says Summer on the Water. And yeah, this is what I received. And I guess this is for July and August of 2019. Then the next item that I received is Wired, and this is for also July and August 2019. And it says the internet giant that went too far. And I have to show you the cover, but oh my goodness. Yeah, the Times, and it has the Trump on here on the New York, the Times Magazine. I'm going to turn that. I think I know it's 2019, and it's for July. That Times Magazine. And then I have Real Simple, and this is for July 2019. This looks really good. And the last one is Martha Stewart, Living. Happy summer. And this is for July and August 2019. And here you go. These are all the items that I received. And these are from PINCHme, and sometimes we get free magazines from PINCHme if I don't get free samples for that month. So I receive magazines. And yeah, these are what they look like. And I just want to thank you for watching. And please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I just want to say goodbye.